Hi, I am your friend Avinash, and today's video topic is abstraction and interface in Java. Let's start with definition. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details from the user and only the highlighted set of services provided to the user. Let's understand it with example. Let's take an example of calculator. In calculator we can perform addition, multiplication, division, subtraction operations, but user cannot see the logic written behind this behind the logic written behind. Uh, so uh, so now now we understand the advantages of abstraction. First advantage is security. To give fast output to the user, uh, security in order to give security to the data, we use abstract method. Now the next advantage is enhancement. Enhancement means to give fast output to the user, we can replace the Java code with Python code or any other code, and user don't even get to know that that we have replaced the code. Now there are types of abstraction. Abstraction can be achieved through abstract class and interface. In abstract class, only 20% work is done by yourself, and remaining 80% work is done by the other user. Whereas in interface, 100% implementation is done by the other user and not by us. Now the first one is abstract class. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. Error means what is error? Class cannot be instantiated means we can't create object of that class if the class is abstract class. If the class is declared as abstract, we can't create object of that class. Now the definition of abstract class: a class which contains the abstract keyword in its declaration is called abstract class. Note points: we can't create object for abstract class. It may or may not contain abstract method. It can have abstract as well as non-abstract method. Syntax is abstract class A within curly braces code return. To use an abstract class, you have to inherit it from the subclasses. If a class contains partial implementation, then we should declare a class as abstract class. Now the next one is the interface. Interface is nothing but a special type of class where in interface is used where there is a deal between contractor, that is customer, and seller. By default the interface methods are public and abstract, whereas the by default interface variables are public, final, and static. What is final? Final means once we have declared any variable, then we cannot reassign the value. Public means it can be accessed to other classes, and static means variable gets memory in the method area itself. Now the abstract methods are by default abstract and public. Public means we can access it from anywhere, that is any other classes, and abstract means there is no implementation inside that method, and the implementation done by inheritance into the into the subclass. Thank you. That's all about abstraction and interface in Java.